come and clean my absolutely appalling cleaning cupboard with me. Like, there was so much in here. I had products on my worktop because I actually had nowhere to put half of my stuff. But then at the end, I realised that actually I've got more room than I thought because I had to chuck a load of products away. And look at the state of this. This was way, way, way overdue. My hands are like raisins right now. But what is that? What is that? Literally like 24. I am absolutely ashamed. But, you know, on this channel, we like to show a little bit of real, raw, realistic. There was a spider leg crunched on that. Absolutely revolting. Anyway, I got the Hoover out and I gave all of the corners and everything else like a quick hoover over before spraying some of the Fabulosa Ode spray. And I let this set for about 10 minutes while I got rid of products, put stuff in containers, all of that sort of stuff, and organised all of the products, figuring out where I want it all to go. And then I gave it all a scrub down and I went over it with a microfiber cloth. But some of it, to be fair, could have done with an extra spray and another wipe. But I thought, do you know what? It's a cleaning cupboard. I'm not going to be that arsed about it. Like, as long as I get rid of all the germs and do the best I can, then, you know, that's good enough, okay? That's good enough. All whilst you have a toddler running around as well, I might add. I mean, it's not easy, but we move. It needed doing before the new year. It needed doing anyway, but more so before the new year. So, yeah, I just organised everything into containers. Couldn't really put much down that side, so I just shoved the iron down there and then just started packing everything in the cupboards where I wanted it all to go. But all the stuff that I could, like, I mainly use at the front of the cupboard, which is common sense really, you know. But yeah, this is it, all finished, all sorted, and kaboom, finally it's looking somewhat good. This corner here, I want to actually get like another container and a tub and put all of like the cleaning stuff and all that in because again, I might have extra room. But yeah, finito.